Hey guys, thanks a bunch for checking out our health-savvy channels. Today, we're gonna chat about why we feel so drained, tired, and low on energy every day. But no worries, we've got some tips to help you feel like $1,000,000 again. We really appreciate your interest in our topics that cater to folks like you, who are always looking for info on health and wellness. Let's talk about something we all face, feeling tired all the time. It may seem like a normal part of our daily grind, but it's important to understand what it could mean and how to deal with it. It's no surprise that fatigue is a big deal in our lives. Many of us wonder why we're always tired, even when we try to be healthy and get enough sleep. We're here to dig deep into the reasons behind this ongoing struggle. Feeling worn out and weak can really affect how we do at work or in our relationships with friends and family. But don't let that stop you. We'll uncover the reasons behind this fatigue and give you tips to overcome it. By facing these challenges head-on, you can boost your energy and thrive in all areas of your life. Join us on this journey as we explore the factors contributing to this common issue. Together, we'll help you recognize these issues and provide solutions to help you beat them. So, take this chance to learn more about fatigue as a common problem. By working together, we can help you take charge of your health and well-being, leading to positive changes in your life. Let's team up to create a healthier and happier lifestyle for everyone. Let's get started. What is glycogen? Glycogen is a type of polysaccharide found in eukaryotic cells. It is composed of numerous glucose molecules linked together in a large, branched structure. Glycogen serves as an energy reserve, and it can be rapidly mobilized to meet sudden energy needs during physical activities or other situations where the body requires increased energy levels. Where is glycogen stored? Glycogen mainly occurs in 2/3 of the body's tissues, with the remaining third stored in the liver. The liver is known as the primary organ for storing glycogen. Glycogen helps maintain blood sugar levels, especially between meals or during extended periods of fasting. During fasting, liver glycogen plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by breaking down glucose to maintain energy levels, preventing sudden drops that may lead to fatigue or hypoglycemia. How is glycogen works? Glycogenolysis is the process through which glycogen is broken down into glucose, mainly to maintain blood sugar levels during fasting or in response to high energy demands. During this process, the glucose produced is then used to produce ATP, the primary energy carrier within cells. How is glycogenesis determined? In situations where there is an excess of glucose in the bloodstream, such as after eating a carbohydrate-rich meal, the liver undergoes a process called glycogenesis, converting glucose into glycogen for storage. This action helps to ensure that the body has a readily available energy source during physical activities, promoting endurance and performance. What is glycogen's importance? Glycogen is a quick energy source that provides an easily accessible form of energy when necessary for physical activities. This aids in sustaining endurance and improving performance during activities that require increased energy levels. Additionally, liver glycogen helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sudden changes that might lead to fatigue, especially during fasting. How can we maintain glycogen stores? A balanced diet is crucial for replenishing glycogen stores. Consuming complex carbohydrates, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides the necessary nutrients required to replenish glycogen levels. Regular exercise, particularly endurance and strength training, can improve the muscle's ability to store and utilize glycogen more effectively. Engaging in regular physical activity, especially when combined with resistance training, can further enhance the liver's capacity to store and use glycogen efficiently. In conclusion, understanding the role of glycogen in energy storage and its importance in maintaining energy levels and overall health provides valuable insights for making better dietary and exercise choices that can help sustain your energy levels and overall well-being. You learned about glycogens, and now we're going to dive into the fascinating realm of glucose and how it works in our bodies, so let's get started. What is glucose? It possesses a chemical composition. Glucose can be described as chuckoke. It's a sugar found abundantly in various foods, mainly those containing a high percentage of carbohydrates. Natural sources: glucose can be discovered in fruits, vegetables, honey, and grains. Additionally, it is produced by your body as a result of the digestion of carbohydrates. How glucose works: the process of digestion begins when you consume carbohydrates. These complex sugars are then broken down into glucose during the digestive process. The glucose is then absorbed into your bloodstream through the lining of your small intestine. Subsequently, upon rising blood glucose levels, the pancreas releases insulin. Insulin functions to transport glucose into your cells, allowing those excess glucose levels to be stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Energy production and glucose uptake: once inside your cells, glucose undergoes a series of complex reactions that lead to energy production. This process is known as cell respiration, and it involves the conversion of glucose into pyruvate. This process provides a small amount of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which serves as the energy currency of cells. The Krebs cycle and electron transport chain: pyruvate then moves into the mitochondria, where it undergoes additional reactions in the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain. As a result, ATP production increases, providing energy for various metabolic processes that ensure life's continued existence. Importance of glucose is: it is necessary for the various metabolic processes that sustain life. By better understanding the role of glucose, you can appreciate the critical importance of maintaining a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity for promoting energy levels and overall health. And for the brain function, glucose serves as the primary energy source for the brain. It supports cognitive functions and is essential for overall brain health. As well, glucose plays a vital role in the energy requirements of physical activities, especially those of high intensity. During these activities, muscles rely on glucose for energy. During fasting or intense exercise, excess glucose can be broken down to yield glucose, ensuring a continuous energy supply for the body's needs. Conclusion: glucose plays a critical role in various metabolic processes that exist to sustain life. By better understanding its function in your body, you can better appreciate the importance of maintaining a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activities for promoting energy levels and overall health. You had learned and comprehended about glycogens and glucoses, and we delve deeper into this topic. Carbohydrates, shortened as carb, are categorized among the main three macronutrients, along with proteins and fats, which provide vital energy to the body. Let's discuss what they are and how they function in the body. What are carbohydrates? There are two main types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates, including sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, and complex carbohydrates comprised of longer chains of sugar molecules. These complex carbohydrates provide a more sustained release of energy. How carbohydrates work. After ingestion, carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars like glucose during digestion. The glucose is then absorbed into the bloodstream through the lining of the small intestine by a process called diffusion. Once in the bloodstream, glucose is regulated by the pancreas, which releases insulin, a hormone that helps transport glucose into cells. Storage and utilization. Excess glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscle cells. Glycogen is broken down into glucose and released into the bloodstream when the body needs more energy, such as during physical activity or between meals. The role of fiber. Dietary fiber is not digested or absorbed by the body. Instead, it aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also promotes a sense of fullness, making it essential in maintaining a healthy diet. Importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates function as the body's primary energy source, especially for the brain and muscles during physical activity. They are essential for various metabolic processes that sustain life and ensure health. Healthy sources of carbohydrates, whole grains or brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat are some examples of healthy carbohydrates that should be incorporated into one's diet. As a conclusion, understanding the role of carbohydrates helps you make informed dietary choices that maintain energy levels and overall health. How muscles are created and developed. Let's get started. Muscles are indeed fascinating structures that enable us to perform a myriad of physical activities. They are composed of highly organized cells called myocytes that are responsible for contractions and help to maintain overall body function. Myogenesis, the process of muscle formation, commences during our embryonic development. At first, muscle cells undergo a process of division and eventually form large groups of cylindrical cells called myotubes. These myotubes contain multiple nuclei and are packed with myofibrils, which are responsible for generating muscle contractions. Once formed, muscle growth and hypertrophy can be promoted through regular exercise routines. Consistent strength training exercises such as weightlifting or body weight-based workouts stimulate muscle fibers, leading to small tears in the muscle tissue. The body, however, repairs these injuries and further enhances muscle growth through the process of hypertrophy. Adequate protein intake is necessary for promoting muscle repair and growth. Protein plays an essential role in providing the necessary building blocks, amino acids, for muscle tissue. Additionally, regular exercise routines activate satellite cells, a type of stem cell found within the muscle tissue. These satellite cells become activated when muscle fibers are damaged during exercise. Once activated, they multiply and fuse with the damaged muscle fibers, aiding in the repair process and contributing to muscle growth. Hormonal influences also play a significant role in promoting muscle development. Growth hormone released by the pituitary gland stimulates muscle growth and repair. Testosterone, a hormone primarily found in higher levels in males, also plays a significant role in muscle development by increasing protein synthesis and satellite cell activity. Insulin-like growth factor 1 IGF-1 is also produced in response to growth hormone. This hormone stimulates muscle growth and repair. In conclusion, muscles are not just functional structures, but they are also dynamic structures that undergo continuous development and growth. Regular exercise routines, adequate protein intake, and appropriate hormonal influences play significant roles in promoting muscle development. When you're feeling fatigued and weak, concentrating on essential nutrients can greatly help elevate your energy levels. Therefore, today, we are going to discuss the last part of our series, which includes exploring the main nutrients you require while emphasizing on non-GMO sources. We knew a little bit about. Carbs also plays an essential role in providing quick and long-lasting energy to the body. Nonetheless, it's vital to explore whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, fruits like apples, berries, bananas, and a wide array of vegetables, like sweet potatoes, leafy greens. It's crucial to pay attention to nutrition and choose labels that guarantee a non-GMO soy protein foundation, as it is designed to support muscle repair and growth while efficiently maintaining energy levels. Non-GMO sources like soy protein, beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, nuts, and seeds can significantly contribute to providing vital nutrients needed for your body. While focusing on fats, it's essential to ensure that it is pure, safe, and has no adverse effects. Other aspects of fats include providing a concentrated source of energy, supporting cell function, and ensuring essential bodily functions. It's also important to explore other vital nutrients such as vitamin B12, which can be found fortified in non-GMO soy, milk, nutritional yeast, And supplements you can also incorporate fruits like avocados, nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds like chia seed, flax seeds, and olive oil, which have shown to be beneficial sources. Some fruits may also contain iron, found in non-GMO lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals. It is essential to pay attention to the inclusion of magnesium in non-GMO nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin C can be found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli, and it aids in iron absorption, hydration, and overall body function, all while supporting cell function. To further support your energy levels, consider a sample meal plan that incorporates non-GMO soy milk smoothie featuring spinach, banana, and chia seeds, along with whole grain toast topped with non-GMO almond butter. For lunch, try some quinoa salad consisting of mixed vegetables, chickpeas, and a light drizzle of olive oil. Your afternoon snacks can be as simple as a handful of non-GMO nuts and seeds mixed with apple slices. And at dinner, try stir-frying non-GMO tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, and brown rice to maintain consistent hydration throughout the day. Aim to drink loads of water and consider herbal teas for variety. By concentrating on these nutrients and selecting non-GMO sources, you can effectively support your energy levels and maintain overall health. Let's take a moment to go over what we've discussed. 1. Glycogenesis and glycogenolysis. Glycogenesis, the process of converting glucose into glycogen for storage within liver and muscles. Glycogenolysis, the breakdown of glycogen which is stored in the liver and muscles back into glucose when the body requires energy to glucose, a simple sugar that serves as the primary and most abundant source of energy for the body's cells. 3. Carbohydrates, organic compounds found in foods being composed of sugars, starches, and fibers. They serve as a significant source of energy for muscle function, and carbohydrates. Muscles require energy to function effectively. They obtain their energy primarily from glucose derived from carbohydrates. Consuming enough carbohydrates is crucial for maintaining muscle energy and preventing exhaustion. 5. Consuming non-GMO soy, protein, or other plant-based proteins. Non-GMO soy protein and other plant-based proteins are natural and essential sources of essential amino acids. They can support muscle recovery, growth, and overall health without posing the potential risks associated with GMOs. Always remember that the information you've learned about nutrition, vitamins, and minerals in school is accurate, but the confusion exists in terms of GMO and non-GMO foods. Most of today's nutrition is GMOs, which can lead to disappointing results and sometimes even distrust in the power of vitamins and minerals. However, non-GMO products retain the potent benefits that Mother Nature intended, devoid of synthetic chemicals and artificial ingredients. The information I've shared above emphasizes the importance of non-GMO nutrition and the difference between GMOs and non-GMOs. Good luck if you're following this, and thank you for tuning in. It's always a pleasure to share content like this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this content useful. Thanks for watching, and see you each time in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.